Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're working to try to serve you and our local marketplace. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.